Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you very much for having me as one of the presenters in our international conference on the teaching of English and literature held by English Magister Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Bengkulu, Indonesia. Before I start to present my abstract, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ejontomi Afrizon, but you can call me Ejon. I am a student of English Magister Study Program of Universitas Bengkulu. I am in the third semester and inshallah I will graduate next year. So in this special occasion, I will present you my abstract entitled A Discourse Analysis of Rhetorical Style in Research Article Introduction in Law Studies written by international authors. So this is my own abstract. I am the presenter today, and you can see on this slide identity information. My name is Ejontomi Afrizon. Once again, I'm from Universitas Bengkulu. I am a student of English Magister Study Program, and you can see my contact right on the slide, on the video. So a discourse analysis of rhetorical style in research article introduction in law studies written by international authors. So mainly this research is aimed at finding the most dominant move, step, and the most common pattern of rhetorical style in research article introduction in law studies written by international authors. The documentation technique and checklists were used in this research. 15 English research article introductions by international authors were analyzed by using discourse analysis technique, using quantitative as well as qualitative method and following Swaller's course model 1990. The results show that the authors dominantly use move 1. This is establishing a territory, and step 2 of move 1, making topic generalization. The 15 articles mostly have the same model in leading to understanding to the article introduction. In addition, the international authors of English research articles in law study prefer describing the phenomena and found the problem based on it to describing the previous research. The most common pattern is complete pattern. The articles which belong to complete pattern have 3 moves, while the one which has 2 moves belong to semi-complete, and the one which has 1 move only belong to incomplete pattern. In conclusion, the article in the 3 journals are categorized into appropriate articles in terms of discourse structure. So what are actually the objectives of my abstract? The first one, this is to find out moves in introduction section of law study research article. Second is to find out steps in introduction section of law study research article. And the last but not least is to find out the dominant pattern of rhetorical move and step found in introduction section of law study research article. And what about the importance of my research? Why is the title important? Because knowledge about how to build an introduction of research article is surely needed for us, especially students. By doing this research, the researcher will try to find out the rhetorical style in that section, which is going to be useful for students or whoever wants to create research article in order they can create a common rhetorical style in introduction section of the article. The findings of the study will facilitate better understanding about the introduction section of research articles in law studies for students, especially law students, and contribute to the efforts to publish their research in this field. What about the methodology of the study? So this is a qualitative analysis, especially descriptive, qualitative, and the corpus is 15 law research articles published in international journals of law studies, and the instrument of the research is checklist. The technique is documentation, and the theory that I use in this research is Swaller's create a research space, or abbreviated becomes to course model 1990. And what about the findings? So I have found the 3 things from the research. So the finding 1 is the dominant move in introduction section of English research articles in law study written by international author is move 1, establishing a territory. And what about finding 2? The most dominant step in introduction section of English research articles law study written by international author is step 2 of move 1, making topic generalization. And the last finding, but not least, is the most common pattern of compulsory moves and step in the law 15 articles is complete pattern. So that's all about my own abstract that I can present you today. I hope it's clear enough and can add your knowledge about rhetorical style, especially in discourse analysis. I hope it can be useful. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.